in jeder Stunde, an jedem Tag, nur zu denken an Deutschland, an Volk und an Reich, an unsere deutsche Nation, unser deutsches Volk, Sieg heil! Sieg heil! Sieg heil! I'm Mr. Fergaman, you're Mr. Fergaman, we're all Mr. Fergaman, we're all fucking Nazis. I'm Mr. Fergaman, you're Mr. Fergaman, we're all Mr. Fergaman, we're all fucking Nazis. English teacher Biden, Nazi leader Biden, English teacher Biden, Nazi leader Biden, English teacher Biden, Nazi leader Biden, English teacher Biden, Nazi leader Biden. Mr. Fergaman, it's my turn. Mr. Fergaman, shut off my head. Mr. Fergaman, it's my turn. Mr. Fergaman, chopped off my head. Chopped off my head. Chopped off my head. Mr. Fergaman. Oh, Mr. Fergaman, you're Mr. Fergaman, we're all Mr. Fergaman, we're all fucking Nazis. I'm Mr. Fergaman, you're Mr. Fergaman, we're all Mr. Fergaman, we're all fucking Nazis. Mr. Fergaman is also an archaeologist, he found the Holy Grail. Mr. Fergaman is also an archaeologist, he found the Holy Grail. He was digging in the sand when he found the Holy Grail, brought it to a church, drank holy water from it. Now Mr. Fergaman is immortal. Now Mr. Fergaman is immortal. Say it with me, it's immortal. Say it with me,